Hello! Today we're working on my Lada Niva. It's been sitting in here garage some time, maybe month or something like that. And today we are going to install this front differential on these new things, because normally this front differential is bolted just right into this engine, but it's not good, that original system, so this is better. We use these things to mount this on here. Yeah. Install this today and maybe even put a motor on pulling the motor in the car. So let's start doing. First thing is we put this on here and the bearing over here and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to change these bolts to bigger ones, because these are too short, and now I also show you a little bit technical tip. I have seen many people are trying to pull this out with using these vice grips like this, taking this and then roll it open, but that's damaged the threads, so that's not good. Even some people using these kind of knipex in Cobria and doing that, but that's just destroy the threads and that bolt is useless. Now I show you how you can easily and saving the threads to take this bolt out. Only you need is two bolts, two nuts to do this, do that, and now I need to put my light in somewhere in here. No, it's not good in there. Okay, I'm not trying to drop this light, but okay, now you need two normal Frenches and just this outsider just make a little bit tighter and lose this other one, and then this should be start to open. And now when it's moved, now I can just open this bolt. Open at this bolt. Can we use this kind of? Yes. And this French is called professional French because it have this system. Normally is these kind of things, but this is just professionals use this. Yeah. Now we take this two nuts off. And look, we can use this in somewhere else if we wanna. Ta-da! Okay, now we have this driver side drive shaft ready. We have this part in here and this in here and bearing in there and the locking system in here. So now we need to put a seal on this, and we use this Permatex Supra Black silicone. This is not paid commercial, this is just good stuff for good stuff. Yeah. Now I just put that drive shaft on the front differential. Okay, now the both drive shafts, even left and the right, is, or left and the right, yeah, they are on the right place, and now this will not move anywhere anymore. Now it's best. Now is the best mounting on this. We still need to do some things, a lot of things, like there is no suspension. We need to wait this bolt, this upper control arm, and there's this big bolt. It's coming from Ukraine, and maybe next week I cut that part. Yes. Then just put these all suspensions back. These are Mercedes-Benz springs. Mercedes-Benz springs. So they will be a little bit higher than normal springs. But yeah, that was today's episode, to put this thing into this car, installing this front differential, and it's pretty good. It says it's just bolt on set, but that's not a bolt on. We need to weld these mountings on here and drill these little bit bigger, these holes, and to change this side for bigger. In this size they are just good side bolt, but this driver size they were too short. But now it's pretty good. Yeah. Now it's coming copyright material system because this music, but I don't care. Yeah.